So today we're checking out the Fifine M9, which is a wireless lav mic system coming in at $75. So we're going to see what comes in the box, most importantly, how it sounds, and are you getting a real bang for your buck for $75. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now it comes with this really nice carrying case. Everything in the kit is inside of this case. Inside the case, you have your wires where this can be hooked up to a camera or a cell phone. Now, it only has USB-C. So if your phone is an iPhone and you have one of the older iPhones, you won't be able to use it with this. But it does have USB-C, so any Android phone, or if you have the iPhone 15, you'll be able to use this system with that phone. Got your dead cat windscreen protectors for the actual individual mics. Got your USB Type-C for charging. And then the actual case for the mic. Real nice case, has the Fifine branding on it. And this is how you charge everything, so everything can be charged in this nice case. It has the USB Type-C charging port on the back. You go on to the inside, you can see you have your mics. So you got your two receivers and your one transmitter that you'll use to hook up to your camera or your phone, and you have your stereo mics. Now this is the size of the transmitter. It just has your basic display, your power on, and then your A and B mic. On the side is the volume adjustment for each mic, and then on the bottom you see you have your USB Type-C for charging. Now these do charge while they're in the case, but you can charge them individually, which is nice. And then on the side you see you have your mode select button, your link button, and then you have your audio out, which will go either into your camera or into your phone. Let's check out one of the actual mics itself. So again, there's two in the case. These are the two mics here. You got your actual mic at the top, then your two USB Type-C ports on the bottom. Now for these mics, there is no mic input, so you can't use these with an actual lav mic. You have to talk directly into these mics. So that's one drawback. It doesn't have mic out. So for a size comparison, this is the Fifine M9 mic, and this is an example of the size of the Rode Wireless Go mic. You see it's about half the size of the Wireless Go. Now keep in mind that the Wireless Go, this set is $, and this set is $75. So a really big price difference. Now the sound that you're actually hearing right now is coming from the Rode Wireless Go system. I have it directly connected to my camera, so just get an idea of what the Wireless Go system sounds like, and then we're gonna do a test and see the sound quality on the Fifine M9. All right, now this portion of the video is being recorded on the Fifine M9. I'm actually recording on my iPhone 15, plugged into the receiver through the USB Type-C. You see I have the receiver here. This is the second one. So you can actually have two people doing an interview type style recording at once. So you can record two people at once, which is really nice. Same thing as you can do on the Rode Wireless Go system. And this is what it sounds like from the Fifine M9. So I'm curious to see, what do you think as far as the sound quality, this versus the Rode Wireless Go 2 system, which is about $300, and then the Fifine M9, which is coming in at $75. Now the range on this is stated to be 100 feet. I plan on testing that out at a later date, but it says that the range on this is 100 feet. So if you are ever in a situation where you're going to be recording somebody from that far away, you should be good to go. So all in all, a really nice system that Fifine put together for a really affordable price, especially for people that are just getting started in their content creation game. I think this can be one of the go-to items that you can use to really up your production value at a fraction of the cost of the Rode Wireless Go system. So I'm curious to see what y'all think about this. Please go down in the comments section and let me know. I'm really curious to hear what y'all got to say. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video.